We got a package. Revolo reached out to me and asked me to try their new smart home door lock. What? It has Wi-Fi built right in. It features remote access, which means you can operate and check the status of the lock from anywhere at any time just using your smartphone. Let's open her up. They kept this one simple. Inside the box, you have your lock mechanism, of course, a package of batteries. That's a plus, but I am going to switch them out for Revolo. I love Revolo batteries. And you have a fancy little box of hardware. I'm going to go over all the features in my demonstration video once I get it installed, but these are sick. There's a touch panel that appears here. You can't see it now, but it's there. I am so excited about this. Secondly, it's this little hidden panel here. There's a million ways to unlock this mechanism, but I'm still glad they kept the traditional key. Unlock yours. Link in my bio.